Abraha marched with a terrifying army, towering elephants crushing everything in their path. His eyes fixed on one goal: destroy the Kaaba. The people of Makkah fled, helpless. The sacred house stood alone. No armies, no protection, only Allah's help. Then the sky darkened. Thousands of birds appeared, ababil, each carrying stones of fire in their claws. They swooped down, striking the mighty army with divine precision. In moments, the great force was reduced to ashes. Not a single hand touched the Kaaba, because when Allah defends, no army can stand. Surah Al-Fil still echoes the warning.